Welcome. Welcome to our Redal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, let us discuss about Biology NTA Model Paper 6. Let us discuss the questions one by one. Question number 1. The period from birth to the natural death of an organism represents its. There are four options are given. Option A, lifespan. Option B, life cycle. Option C, natality. Option D, mortality. The period from birth to the natural death is called as lifespan. So the correct answer is option 1. That is option A. Question number 2. Which cells are stimulated by the follicle stimulating hormone in males? Option A, Sertoli cells. Option B, spermatogonia. Option C, interstitial cells. Option D, cells of ejaculatory duct. From the given four options, the correct answer is Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells only stimulate follicle stimulating hormone in males. So the correct option is A. Question number 3. A functional mammary gland is characteristic of all female mammals. The glandular tissue of each breast is divided into dash containing cluster of cells called alveoli. The cells of alveoli secrete milk which is stored in the cavities, that is generally called as lumens of alveoli. The alveoli open into dash the dash of the lobe joint to form dash several dash joint to form a wider dash which is connected to dash through which milk is sucked out. So for this there are four options are given, option A, B, C and D. So the correct suitable option is C, that is 15 to 20. A, B is mammary tubules, C mammary duct, D mammary ampulla, E lactiferous duct. So the given dash is filled with the following answers. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 4. Which of the following contraceptive method cannot be practically used? Here there are four contraceptive methods are given. Option A, condoms. Option B, copper releasing IUDs. Option C, implants. Option D, lactational amenorrhea. From that, the answer for this question is option D, lactational amenorrhea. So this is contraceptive method cannot be practically used. So the correct answer is option D. Lactational amenorrhea is a contraceptive method cannot be practically used. Question number 5. In which of the following method of ART fertilization will be in vivo? Option A, IVF ET. Option B, ZIFT. Option C, ICSI. Option D, all technique. So the answer for this question is all techniques. The answer for this question is all the three techniques. So the correct option is D. Question number 6. Mendel conducted artificial pollination or cross-pollination experiments using several. There are four options are given. Option A, true breeding garden pea lines. Option B, true breeding sweet pea plants. Option C, hybrid garden pea lines. Option D, hybrid sweet pea lines. So from the given four options, the answer is true breeding garden pea lines. Mendel conducted artificial pollination by the using of true breeding garden pea lines. So the correct option is A. Question number 7. An organism has two unlinked genes P and Q. Its genotype is capital P, small p, capital Q, small q. How many different types of gametes will be formed? There are four options are given. Option A 2, option B 6, option C 4, option D 8. The answer is 4. Totally, there are four different types of gametes will be formed from the combination. So the correct option is C. Question number 8. A transcription unit in DNA must have option A, promoter gene, option B, structural gene, option C, terminator gene, option D, all of the above. From the given four options, a correct one is terminator. Transcription unit in DNA must have terminator gene. So the correct option is C. Question number 9. Which of the following set of options is used in translation? Option A, heterochromatin RNA, tRNA and rRNA. Option B, mRNA, tRNA and rRNA. Option C, mRNA, tRNA, and heterochromatin RNA. Option D, heterochromatin RNA, or RNA, and tRNA. So the answer is B, mRNA, tRNA, and or RNA. The following set of options used in translation process during protein synthesis. The correct option is B. Question number 10. Primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus were existing about. Option A, 1 million years ago. Option B, 15 million years ago. Option C, 5 million years ago. Option D, 2.5 million years ago. The answer is 15 million years ago. Primates called Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus were existing about 15 million years ago. So the correct option is B. Question number 11. Select the incorrect match. Here there are 4 matches are given. From that has to find out incorrect match. A. Examples of adaptive radiation. They are given some examples. Darwin's finches and Australian marsupials. Option B. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Allele frequencies in a population are stable. Option C. Result of different adaptive radiations. Example, lemur and spotted cuscus. Option D. Result of same adaptive radiation. Examples, bobcat and flying palanger. From that, the incorrect match is D. Result of same adaptive radiation, bobcat and flying palangers are the incorrect one among the 4 options. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Question number 12. Mary Mallon was cook by profession and also carrier of a particular disease. Which test is commonly used for diagnosis of this disease? Option A, Montiac's test. Option B, Vidal test. Option C, Western blot. Option D, ELISA. So the answer is Vidal test. Mary Mallon was a cook by profession and also carrier of a particular disease. To test that particular disease, the name of the test that can be used is called as Vidal test. So the answer for this question is option B. Question number 13. The dash is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells dash lymphocytes are produced. The dash is a lobed organ located near the heart and beneath the breastbone. The dash is quite large at the time of birth but keep reducing size with age, and by the time puberty is attained reduces to very small size. Both A and dash provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. Here they ask in the form of fill in the blanks. This the correctly matched. They ask to find out the correctly matched option from the given 4 options. Option A, 1 bone marrow, 2 including 3 thymus. Option B, 1 spleen, 2 including 3 thymus. Option C, 1 thymus, 2 including 3 bone marrow. Option D, 1 bone marrow, 2 excluding 3 spleen. The correct matching one is option A. That is, wherever the 1 is given, the bone marrow has to come. Wherever the 2 is given, they are including. Wherever the 3 is given, the thymus has to come. So the suitable option is A. Question number 14. A crop must be tested for at least growing season before releasing for commercialization. Option A, 1. Option 2, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. So the answer is 3. A crop must be tested for at least 3 growing season before releasing for commercialization. So the correct option is C. Question number 15. Fisheries include rearing, catching and selling of. Option A, fishes only. Option B, fishes and mollusk only. Option C, fishes, mollusk including shellfish and prawns only. Option D, fishes, mollusk including shellfish and crustaceans including prawns, crabs, etc. From the given 4 options, the correct option is D. Fisheries including rearing, catching and selling of fishes, mollusks including shellfish and crustaceans like prawns, crabs, etc. So the correct option is D. Question number 16. Multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology, it is generally called as MOET, is a program for head improvement. In this method, a cow is administered hormones with dash like activity to induce follicular maturation and super ovulation instead of one egg, which they normally yield per cycle. They produce dash eggs. The animal is either mated with an allied bull or artificially inseminated. The fertilized eggs at dash cells stages are recovered dash and transferred to surrogate mothers. The genetic mother is available for another round of super ovulation. So here totally there are four fill in the blank is given. They asked to fill in the blanks according to the correct answer. Option A dash 1 is FSH, 2 A to 32, 3 6 to 8, 4 surgically. Option B 1 luteinizing hormone, 2 A to 32, 3 6 to 8, 4 surgically. Option C 1 follicle stimulating hormone, 2 6 to 8, 3 8 to 32, 4 non-surgically. Option D 1 luteinizing hormone, 2 6 to 8, 3 8 to 16, 4 non-surgically. For the given 4 sequence, the correctly matching one is C. This for this question, the correctly matching option is option C. 1 follicle stimulating hormone, 2 6 to 8, 3 8 to 32, 4 non-surgically. The option is C. Question number 17. Select the correct statement from the following. Option A. Activated sludge sediment in settlement tanks of sewage treatment plant is a rich source of an aerobic bacteria. Option B. Biogas is produced by the activity of aerobic bacteria of animal waste. Option C. Methanobacterium is an anaerobic bacterium found in the rumen of cattle. Option D. Biogas commonly called gobar gas in pure methane. From the given 4 statement, they asked to find out the correct statement. So the correct statement is option D. Biogas commonly called gobar gas is pure. Number 18. Techniques to alter the genetic material, that is DNA and RNA, is known as option A biomedical engineering, option B environmental engineering, option C genetic engineering, option D bioprocessing engineering. From the given 4 options, answer is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a technique that is used to alter genetic material. The DNA. Correct answer is option C. Question number 19. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authentication from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment is known as option A genetic relatedness, option B biopiracy, option C biodegradation, option D biomagnification. The answer is biopiracy. It is generally called as the utilization of the resources without authentic permission. So the correct option for this question is option B. Question number 20. Adaptation in organism can be option A morphological, option B physiological, option C behavioral, option D all of these. All of these. Adaptation in organism can be either morphological, physiological or behavioral changes. So the answer for this question is option D. Question number 21. Detritivores break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is called option A fragmentation, B leaching, C humidification, D calcification. From the given 4 options, the answer is fragmentation. Detritivores break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is generally called as fragmentation. So the correct option is A. Question number 22. India has only dash of world's land area. Option A 21%, B 100%, C 2.4%, D 4.2%. So the answer is 2.4%. India has 2.4% of the world's land area. So the correct option is C for this question. Question number 23. Find the correct match. Given there are two columns, column 1 and column 2. Given some plant names, column 2 are given in the parts. A. Rauwolfia, B. Quinine, C. Curcuma longa. Has to find out the correct match from the given column 1 to column 2. The correctly matching one is option 3. A is matching with 2, that is Rauwolfia is matching with root. B is matching with 3, quinine, it is obtained from bark of Cinchona officinalis. C, Curcuma longa is matching with rhizome. Curcuma longa is C. Question number 24. The Haryana Kitchen Welfare Club is run by option A, Ramesh Chandra Dagar, option B, Ahmed Khan, C, Swaminathan, option D, Ramdev Mishra. The answer is Ramesh Chandra Dagar. Option A. Question number 25. Dams are useful in providing information for identification of varieties of species found in an area. Option A, manuals. Option B, catalog. Option C, monograph. Option D, flora. Answer is flora. Flora are useful in providing information for identification of varieties of species found in an area. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 26. Which of the following species does not have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen? Option A, nostoc. Option B, Spirogyra. Option C, Astrobacter. Option D, Anabaena. The answer is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a species does not have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Because of correct option is B. 27. Selaginella can be regarded as an evolutionary advanced pteridophyte because of option A, rhizopore. Option B, ligule. Option C, heterospory. Option D, apospory. Answer is heterospory. Due to the development of heterospory, Selaginella can be regarded as an evolutionary advanced pteridophyte. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 28. Adult annelids have symmetry similar to that of option A, adult coelenterate. Option B, most of sponges. Option C, adult echinodermates. Option D, chordates. So from the given four options, the answer is chordates. Adult annelids have symmetry similar to that of chordates. So the correct option is D. Question number 29. Members of which phylum lack well-defined circulatory system and respiratory system? Option A, Aschelminthes. Option B, annelids. Option C, Arthropoda. Option D, Hemichordata. The answer is Aschelminthes. The members of Aschelminthes lack well-defined circulatory system and respiratory system. So the correct option for this question is option A. Question number 30. Select the correct statement. Option A. A bud is present in the axil of petiole in both simple and compound leaf. Option B. Swollen leaf base occurs in Solanaceae family members. Option C. Stem tendril occurs in pea plant. Option D. Pyroclade is expanded petiole which becomes green and photosynthetic. So from the given four options, the correct statement is a bud is present in the axil of petiole in both simple and compound leaf is the correct statement. So the correct statement is option A. Question number 31. Which one of the following statements pertaining to plant structure is correct? Option A. Cork lacks stomata but lenticels carry out transpiration. Option B. Passage cells help in transfer of food from cortex to phloem. Option C. Sieve tube possesses cytoplasm and nuclei. Option D. Shoot apical meristem as a vascular tissue. From the given four options, the answer is option A. Cork lacks stomata but lenticels carry out transpiration. The given statement pertaining to plant structure is correct. The correct statement is option A. Question number 32. Which of the following act as a supporting framework of epithelium? Option A, areolar tissue. B, adipose tissue. C, dense connective tissue. D, cartilage. Answer is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue act as a supporting framework for epithelium. So the correct answer for this question is option A. 23. P. Epithelium. A is commonly found in ducts of glands and tubular parts of the nephron. Q. Epithelium. B is found in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubules. Or epithelium. C provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Identify the above mentioned epithelium. They ask to find out related epithelial tissues. Here there are four options are given. From the given four options, the correct option is fourth one is A. Simple cuboidal epithelium, B. Ciliated, and C. Compound epithelium. P. Epithelium. A is commonly found in ducts of glands and tubular parts of the nephron. Answer is simple cuboidal epithelium. Q. Epithelium B is found in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubes. So this kind of epithelium is called as ciliated epithelium. The or epithelium C provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. So this kind of epithelium is compound epithelium. So the correct option for this question is D. Question number 34. In which of the following would you expect to find glyoxysomes? Option A. Endosperm of wheat. Option B. Endosperm of castor. Option C. Endosperm of gram. Option D. Leaf cells. From the given four options, the correct option is this question is option B. Question number 35. Which of the following is not correctly matched with its category? There are four pairs are given that they ask to find out incorrect one. Option A. Insulin carbohydrate. B. GLUT4 protein. C. Lecithin glycoprotein. D. Cholesterol paired with lipid. From that, the mismatched one is insulin carbohydrate. Answer for this question is option A. Question number 36. Find out the number of chromosomes and amount of DNA in spore mother cells of bryophytes in G2 stage. If the spore contains 5 chromosomes and 5 pg of DNA. Option A. 5 chromosome 5 pg DNA. Option B. 10 chromosomes 20 pg DNA. Option C. 10 chromosome 10 pg DNA. D. 20 chromosomes and 20 pg DNA. From the give four options, answer is option B. 10 chromosome 20 pg DNA. For this question is option B. Question number 37. Root pressure is maximum when? Option A. Transpiration is high and absorption is very low. Option B. Transpiration is very low and absorption is high. Option C. Transpiration and absorption both are high. Option D. Transpiration and absorption both are low. From the given four options, the answer is transpiration is very low and absorption is high. The root pressure is maximum during that time. Transpiration is very low and the absorption is very high. So the answer for this question is option B. Question number 38. Select the incorrect pair from the following. Here there are four pairs are given. From that, ask to find out incorrect pair. Photolysis of water takes place with the help of Mn and Cl. Option B. Cation anion balance is potassium and chlorine. Option C. Redox elements Fe and Cu. Option D. Phloem transport B and Cu. So the correct option is D. Phloem transport B and Cu. That is the incorrect option for this question is option D. 9. In light reaction, the assimilatory power produced are option A. ATP and NADH2. Option B. ATP and NADPH2. Option C. ATP and FADH2. Option D. NADP. During light reaction, the light energy is converted into ATP and NADPH2. So the correct option is B. Carbon dioxide acceptor and carboxylating enzyme in mesophyll cells of C4 plants are respectively option A. PEP and Rubisco. Option B. RUBP and PEP carboxylase. Option C. PEP and PEP carboxylase. Option D. 3-PGA and Rubisco. So from the given four options, The answer is PEP, and PEP case is phosphoenol pyruvate and PEP carboxylase. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question number 41. In aerobic respiration, there is a complete oxidation of pyruvate by the stepwise removal of all the hydrogen atoms, releasing dash molecule of carbon dioxide. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 6. Answer is, in aerobic respiration, there is complete oxidation of pyruvate by the stepwise removal of all hydrogen atoms, releasing 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. So the correct option for this question is option B. Question number 42. How many of the following tissues given below are formed by differentiation? B. Differentiation. There are 2 tissues are formed by differentiation is option B. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Here there are 4 options are given. From that has to find out incorrect one. Option A, muscularis mucosa. It is the outermost layer and it is made up of thin mesothelium with some connective tissues. Option B, hepatic lobules. These are the structural and functional units of liver containing hepatic cells arranged in the form of cords. Option C, parietal cells. These secrete HCl and intrinsic factor in stomach. Option D, diarrhea. The abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increased liquidity of fecal discharge. From the 4 options, the incorrect one is option A. Question number 44. A specialized center present in medulla region of the brain called dash is primarily responsible for regulation. The another center present in pons region of the brain called dash can moderate the function of dash. Neural signal from this center can dash the duration, inspiration, and thereby later the respiratory rate. Dash is situated adjacent the rhythm center, which is highly sensitive to dash. Here they ask to find out A to E. Thus option D is the respiratory rhythm center. B represent pneumotoxic center. C represent is reduce. D represent chemosensitive area. And E represent oxygen and hydrogen ions. So the correct option is option D. Question number 45. Serum is having all of the following except option A ions, option B glucose, option C clotting factors, option D amino acids. Answer is clotting factors. Blood serum contain all the following except a clotting factor. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 46. Match the following. There are 2 columns are given. Column A has to match with column B. PCT, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule. These are the 4 options given in the column A. It has to match with column B. Is PCT is matching with selective reabsorption. It is from the column B 2. And Bowman's capsule is matching with ultrafiltration. C. Loop of Henle. It is matching with counter current. Option D. Distal convoluted tubule. It is matching with conditional reabsorption. So the correct option is option C. A is matching with 2, B is matching with 3, C is matching with 1, D is matching with 4. Question number 47. In a skeletal muscle, the muscle bundles of fascicles are held together by option A, fascia made up of elastin fibers mainly. Option B, fascia made up of collagen fibers mainly. Option C, endomysium made up of elastin fibers mainly. Option D, endomysium made up of collagen fibers mainly. From the given 4 options, the correct option is option 2, fascia made up of collagen fibers mainly. A skeletal muscle, the muscle bundles or fascicles are held together by fascia. It is made up of collagen fibers. So the correct option is B. Question number 48. There are 4 statements are given. Statement 1. Association areas, which are mainly motor in function, are responsible for functions like intersensory associations, memory, and communication. Statement 2. Midbrain and hindbrain forms brainstem. Statement 3. The ciliary body itself continues forward to form a pigmented and opaque structure iris. Statement 4. A membranous labyrinth is filled with a fluid called endolymph. From the given 4 statements, how many of the given statements are correct? So there are 3 statements are correct from the given 4 statements. So the correct option is B. Question number 49. Bentham and Hooker have given a classification of flowering plants. This classification system was option A artificial, option B phylogenetic, option C numerical, option D natural. Bentham and Hooker proposed classification based on natural affinities. So the Bentham and Hooker system of classification is always called as natural system of classification. So the correct option is D. Question number 50. What will be the additional volume of air that person can expire by a forcible expiration? There are 4 options are given. Option 1 500 ml, option B 1100 ml, option C 2300 ml, option D 3000 ml. The answer is 1100 ml. The additional volume of air that person can expire by forcible expiration amount is 1100 ml. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Question number 51. Which of the following drug is anti-anxiety in nature? Option A benzodiazepines. Option B both A and B. Option D neither A nor B. So from the given 4 options, answer for this question is both A and B. The drug anti-anxiety in nature is both A and B, benzodiazepines and barbiturates. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question number 52. Mycoplasma are different from other prokaryotes by option A presence of chitin in cell walls, option B presence of murin in cell walls, option C presence of protein in cell walls, option D absence of cell wall itself. Answer is absence of cell wall. Mycoplasma do not have cell wall. So the correct option for this question is option D. Question number 53. Essential elements are option A not required for normal reproduction, option B not replaceable by other elements, option C never directly involved with metabolism, option D required only in those metabolic processes responsible for biomass growth. The answer for this question is option 2, not replaced by other elements. Essential elements are not replaced by any other element. So the correct option for this question is option B. Question number 54. The end product of fermentation of molasses by yeast is option A acetic acid, option B methyl alcohol, option C ethyl alcohol, option D lactate. So the answer for this question is ethyl alcohol. The end product of fermentation of molasses by yeast is ethyl alcohol or ethanol. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 55. Identify the incorrect information about erythroblastosis fetalis. Option A Rh negative blood of pregnant mother. Option B Rh positive blood of the fetus. Option C fetus may suffer from severe anemia and jaundice. Option D this condition can be avoided by administering anti-Rh antibodies to the fetus immediately after the delivery of the first child. From the given 4 options, they asked to find out incorrect information. The incorrect information is 4th one, that is D. This condition is erythroblastosis fetalis condition can be avoided by administering anti-Rh antibodies to the fetus immediately after the delivery of first child. This is the incorrect for this question. Question number 56. Which of the following ion moves first during germination of an action potential along the axon? Option A Mg2 plus, option B Ca2 plus, option C K plus, option D Na plus. The answer is Na plus. Na plus moves first during the generation of an action potential along the axon. So the correct option is D. Question number 57. Who was the first member of the genus Homo? Option A, Homo habilis. Option B, Homo erectus. Option C, Homo neanderthalensis. Option D, Homo sapiens. Answer is Homo habilis. The first member of the genus Homo is Homo habilis. The correct option for this question is option A. Question number 58. Photooxidation of chlorophyll is prevented by option A, carotenoid. Option B, anthocyanin. Option C, phycobilin. Option D, fucoxanthin. Answer is carotenoid. Photooxidation of chlorophyll is prevented by the pigment carotenoid. So the correct option for this question is option A. Question number 59. Histones are option A, set of positively charged acidic proteins. Option B, set of negatively charged acidic proteins. Option C, set of positively charged basic proteins. Option D, set of negatively charged basic proteins. Answer is option C, set of positively charged basic proteins. Histones are positively charged basic proteins. So correct option is C. Question number 6. Animals specialized cells for osmoregulation and excretion was first seen in option A, Annelida. B, Coelenterata. C, Mollusca. D, Platyhelminthes. Answer is Platyhelminthes. Osmoregulation and excretion was first seen in Platyhelminthes. So the correct option is D. Question number 61. A fall in glomerular blood flow or glomerular blood pressure, it is generally called as GFR, can activate the juxtaglomerular cells to release option A, aldosterone. B, renin. C, erythropoietin. D, renin. Answer is renin. Glomerular filtrate rate can activate the juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. So the correct option is D. Question number 62. Sickle cell anemia is an example of option A, point mutation. B, frame shift mutation. C, X-linked recessive inheritance. D, both A and C. Answer is point mutation. Sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation. So the correct option is A. Question number 63. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A, ecosystem is an open system. B, ecosystem is self-sustaining and dynamic structure. Option C, sun is the ultimate source of energy for an ecosystem. Option D, in an artificial ecosystem, flow of energy is not unidirectional. And the question is, which of the following statement is not correct? They asked incorrect statement from the given 4 options. The incorrect statement is fourth one. In an artificial ecosystem, flow of energy is not unidirectional. So this is the wrong statement among the 4 options. So the answer for locations of cerebral aqueduct and corpora quadrigemina in the human brain are respectively option A, midbrain and midbrain. Option B, forebrain and midbrain. Option C, hindbrain and hindbrain. Option D, hindbrain and midbrain. The location of cerebral aqueduct and corpora quadrigemina is both midbrain and midbrain. So the correct option is A. Question number 65. Periplaneta americana, on average number of ootheca produced by females are option A, 14 to 16. Option B, 11 to 13. Option C, 12 to 14. Option D, 9 to 10. The average number of ootheca produced by females in Periplaneta americana is 9 to 10. So the correct option is D. Question number 66. Select the option with correct identification of the given contraceptive measure and the hormone essentially present in it. Option A, second generation IUD, it is ML250. Option B, third generation IUD, progesterone. Option C, subcutaneous implant, progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. Option D is intramuscular depot, is norgostrol. From the given 4 options, the correct identification of the given contraceptive measure is subcutaneous implant, that is progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination. So the correct option is C. Question number 67. Jawless fish probably evolved around option A, 5 million years ago. Option B, 350 million years ago. Option C, 320 million years ago. Option D, 200 million years ago. The answer is 350 million years ago. Jawless fishes are probably evolved around 350 million years ago. The correct option is B. Question number 68. If a subcellular fraction from liver tissue exhibit a high level of acid lipases, proteases, carbohydrates activity, the organelle associated with it is option A, nuclei, option B, lysosomes, option C, mitochondria, option D, Golgi bodies. The cell organelle associated with which is associated with these enzymes are lysosomes. So the correct option is B. Question number 69. A close relation between flower and pollinating agent is best exhibited by option A, coccus, option B, Vallisneria, option C, yucca, option D, avena. The correct answer is yucca and pronuba is a close relation between flower and pollinating agent. So the correct option is C. Question number 70. Chemolithotropes are those bacteria which can utilize option A, inorganic materials as the energy source, option B, light as the energy source, option C, organic compound as the electron source, option D, crude oil as carbon source. So the answer for this question is inorganic material as energy source. Chemolithotropes or bacteria use inorganic material as the energy source. So the correct option is A. Question number 71. Adult frog and land snail are respectively asked about excretion. Option A, uricotelic and uricotelic. Option B, ammonotelic and ureotelic. Option C, ureotelic and uricotelic. Option D, ammonotelic and ammonotelic. The answer is ureotelic and uricotelic. In adult frog, the excretion takes place in the form of urea, but in snails, it is in the form of uric acid. So the correct option is C. Question number 72. People with Klinefelter syndrome have 47 chromosomes, including 3 sex chromosomes, XXY. What is the term to describe the aberration that occurs during meiosis that result in abnormal chromosome number? Option A, crossing over. Option B, non-disjunction. Option C, independent assortment. Option D, pairing of homologous chromosomes. Answer for this question is, so the correct option for this question is options B. Question number 73. If radioactive thymidine is used during a space of interphase, which part of chromosome will become radioactive? Option A, near the centromere. Option B, at both the end of chromosome. Option C, euchromatin region. Option D, both euchromatin and heterochromatin region. Answer for this question is both euchromatin and heterochromatin region. If radioactive thymidine is used during a space of interphase, both euchromatin and heterochromatin region will become radioactive. So the correct option for this question is option D. Question number 74. Which of the following does not play any role in the movement of water through the xylem? Option A, capillarity. Option B, root pressure. Option C, H plus or ATPase pump at the xylem element membrane. Option D, transpiration pull. The answer is H plus and ATPase pump at the xylem element membrane do not play any role at the time of movement of water through xylem. So the correct option is C. Question number 75. Auxin increases the dash of cell walls. Option A, plasticity. Option B, thickness. Option C, porosity. Option D, rigidity. The answer is plasticity. Auxin increases the plasticity of cell walls. So the correct option is A. Question number 76. In photosynthesis, the first step is option A, conversion of Pg to Pga. Option B, carboxylation of RuBP. Option C, electron release by chlorophyll A. Option D, photolysis of water. The answer for this question is electron release by chlorophyll A. The first step taken place during photosynthesis. The correct option is C. Question number 77. Ribozymes are option A, enzymes which use ribose as substrate. Option B, enzymes working on DNA. Option C, nucleic acid with enzymatic activity. Option D, enzyme RNA complexes. So the answer for this question is nucleic acid with enzymatic activity. Ribozymes are is a kind of nucleic acid with enzymatic activity. So the correct option is C. Question number 78. Sawfish and beta are respectively. Option A, tiger shark and pteropillum. Option B, whale shark and catla. Option C, prestis and fighting fish. Option D, Valogonia and Carcodon. Answer is prestis and fighting fish. Option C is the answer for this question. It's a kind of sawfish and beta. Question number 79. What is the common between cockroach and crab? Option A, Malpighian tubules are excretory organs. Option B, double ventral nerve cord. Option C, non-chitinous cuticle. Option D, three pairs of jointed leg. The answer is common between cockroach and crab. So the correct option is B. Question number 80. Which of the following features from P to S can be absorbed in eukaryotic chromosome? P, telomeres, Q, centromere, or euchromatin, S, origin of DNA replication. Option A, P and Q. Option B, P, Q and S. Option C, P and S. Option D, P, Q or S. Answer is P, Q or S can be absorbed in the eukaryotic chromosome. Telomere, centromere, euchromatin, origin of DNA replication. All are present. So the correct option is D. Which of the following is not true about biodiversity? Option A, maximum biodiversity occur in tropics. Option B, introduction of exotic species may cause the loss of biodiversity. Option C, hotspots are the region with very high species richness and high degree of endemism. Option D, the diversity of microbes is not biodiversity. The answer is the diversity of microbes is not biodiversity. Is not true about the biodiversity. So the answer for this question is option D. Question number 82. The correct description of the question number 82. The correct description of sporophyte of Morgantia and gametophyte of fern is option A. Former is haploid while later is diploid. Option B. Both do not have vascular tissues. Option C. Both are free living structures. Option D. Both represent the dominant generation of their respective life cycle. The answer is both do not have vascular tissues. So that is the answer for this question. So the correct option is B. Morgantia and the gametophyte both do not have vascular tissues. Generally accepted features of biological membrane include all of the following except option A, asymmetric arrangement of lipids. Option B, rapid diffusion of inorganic ions across lipid bilayer. Option C, it comprises of both intrinsic and extrinsic proteins. Option D, lateral diffusion of integral and peripheral proteins. The answer is option 2, that is option B. Generally accepted features except this one, rapid diffusion of inorganic ions across lipid bilayer. So the answer for this question is option B. Question number 84. What is the chemical nature of aldosterone? Option A, fatty acid. Option B, peptide. Option C, amine. Option D, steroid. The chemical nature of aldosterone is steroid. So the correct option is D. Question number 85. Which of the following remains constant during skeletal muscle contraction? Option A, H band. Option B, I band. Option C, A band. Option D, region between Z lines. The answer is A band is a constant band. During muscle contraction, A band cannot move anywhere. So the answer for this question is option C. Question number 86. The rate of transpiration increases with the decrease of option A, temperature. Option B, wind velocity. Option C, light. Option D, atmospheric pressure. The answer is atmospheric pressure. The rate of transpiration increases with the decrease of atmospheric pressure. So the correct option is D. A. A mineral deficiency is likely to affect older leaves more than younger leaves. Option A. The mineral is a micronutrient. Option B. The mineral is very mobile within the plant. Option C. The mineral is required for chlorophyll synthesis. Option D. The deficiency persists for a short time. The answer is the mineral is very mobile within the plant. So the correct option is B. During mineral deficiency is likely to affect older leaves more than younger leaves if the mineral is very mobile within the plant. Question number 88. Plastids that stores oils and fats are option A. Amyloplast. Option B. Chromoplast. Option C. Eleoplast. Option D. Aleuroplast. Answer is eleoplast. Plastids that store oil and fats are called as eleoplasts. So the correct option is C. Question number 89. Compressed natural gas is better fuel than petrol or diesel because compressed natural gas, option A, burns efficiently. Option B, cannot be sharpened off and adulterated. Option C, non-carcinogenic and non-corrosive. Option D, all of the above. Yeah. Answer is all of the above. Compressed natural gas is better fuel petrol and diesel because burns efficiently, cannot be siphoned off and adulterated, and non-carcinogenic and non-corrosive. So the answer for this question is all of the above. So the correct option D. The last question is select the mismatched pair. Here there are 4 pairs are given. Option A, semicircular canal. Mismatched one. Here mismatched one is rhodopsin. Rhodopsin visual violet. It is wrongly.
கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம். வாழ்க வையகத்தோர்.